Let us we start another object. For more and more understanding of polygon modeling, close the render scene, select the village room by selection mode and hide it. Select the roof and hide it also. Now we shall model an old door and its antique iron chain. Go to the create menu and create a polygonal torus. Press F on the keyboard and focus the torus. Open the channel box. Under the shape nodes inputs, open the polytorus 1. Highlight the radius and adjust the radius to approximately 1.5. Highlight the subdivision axis and decrease them 10. Subdivision axis should be the best. Close the channel box and duplicate the torus once. Press Ctrl D for duplicate. Get the move tool, rotate tool. Active the Z rotation axis and change it into 90 degree. Z rotation, not Z scale, into 90 degree. Like this. Move the torus. Go to the top view. Adjust the torus with first torus. Now use the Boolean function of polygon to union both of the toruses. Select one by one both of the toruses and go to the polygon Boolean function and press union. Look, your object is now a single object and it is now in a unity. Center the point of your newly created object and duplicate it once again. Move the duplicated object and then once again duplicate the same object and move it backward. Select the three of the objects and duplicate them once and move them forward. You have created a chain and now you are going to model the mouth and tail of chain. So first group the objects of the chain by selecting them one by one and press Ctrl G for the group. Now create a polygonal cube for the mouth. Move the cube in front of the chain. Adjust the size of the cube as the mouth of and teeth chain of the door. At this point, create a polygonal sphere as a tool. Open the channel box, polysphere, and increase the subdivision axis of the sphere. Press the Y handle of the compass and in the top view move the sphere rightwards and copy sphere leftward. Make a little distance between the center axis and the sphere. Go to the perspective view. Select both of the sphere one after one and combine them with each other. Select the cube and then select the combined spheres and go to the polygon Boolean operation and press difference. Now you have this shape. Modify this shape manually. Right click on the cube and go to the vertex mode. Get the lasso tool and select the vertices of the mouth head and then move them upwards, and after the move rotate them just like that. Again leave a row of the mouth head and move the other vertices upwards and rotate them. Once again do this with the rows. Move the vertices upwards and after that rotate them. Now go to the vertex to faces mode. Select the front face of the mouth